Hi Soumya,
Hello, Rahul.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, any problems with yesterday's task and other things?
I have lots of doubt with the assignment. I think I confused myself with doing everything together.
Okay,
So when I was able to do with string, just a normal string, I was able to get all the answers. But
okay.
when I was trying to do with string buffer and string
Builder.
builder, there
Okay,
were like lots of doubts where it didn't let me to actually even print the normal sentence.
okay, fine. Uh, could you please open your program and
Yeah,
share your screen? First,
yeah.
let's resolve the issues.
Rahul, my computer is a bit very slow, so I'm sorry about it.
Oh, okay, it's okay. So, actually, I want to see where exactly you are facing problems so that I can resolve that.
Yeah.
So, you are not able to share what exactly?
Uh, the Eclipse just opened right now, so
Okay, okay, okay,
yeah.
no problem. I'll be waiting for you. Okay.
I think I shared it.
Yes. So, fine. Okay, where you are facing the problem.
I mean, I don't understand why that auto-generated constructor stuff came in because when I was putting the crash computer in the codes, it didn't let me to actually put that without that auto-generated constructor stuff.
Okay, first thing. Okay, fine. This is the program you have written for string buffer.
Yeah, I
Uh,
mean, I did try many things, but this is what I have right now. So
but the thing is like,
yeah,
one second. I'm like a requester for the remote controller. Please accept that.
okay,
Okay, so that I can control your machine. See,
okay,
this is the your class name. Am I right?
yeah,
How to declare a string buffer? First thing is like syntax. String stacks is string buffer. We have a string buffer class space yes equal to new string buffer. Okay, plus control space. Okay, if you're not able to see that, just type it. I think so. Your system got stuck. I think so. Am I right? Okay.
yeah.
Okay, string buffer. Okay,
Mhm.
this is how you need to create the string. Am I right? And
Yeah.
you got this auto assume this auto generated constructor just to wipe
Mhm.
out those code. And this is not a valid statement.
Oh, I thought the string buffer was the class name which we had for the example, so I thought we need to give the class name only
No, you got
before
confused.
that.
No, we have a class string buffer. See, Java.language, we have a class. This is not the class that you mentioned. This is the
Okay.
class that is already existing. Okay.
Okay.
This is how it. For example, if you want to declare integer variable, how you will declare int I. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is that int is your class name? No, it is
Oh,
defined
okay.
by Java, guys. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Similarly, string buffer is same. Okay.
Okay.
Now you declare string builder now.
Um.
One second. Let me give it as SB, whatever the name you have given. Save the program. Okay. Run the
Mhm.
program. This is you got some output, but because you didn't declare any values here,
Yeah.
you want to declare it as class report. Okay. Save the
Mhm.
program. Okay. Click on
Okay.
run and run the program. So this is the output that is expected one. Am I right?
Yeah. It's because I made that mistake. I wasn't able to proceed with them. So yeah.
No.
I
That's what I understood. That's why yesterday I didn't took 3 hours or 4 hours class. I know that like it's first time for you, and if I
yeah.
inject a lot of things at the same time, and it will lead you to confusion. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, you work on string builder. How you create a string builder? Help me to create a string builder. You do that. I'm going to watch it. Not there, not there, not there. You create new one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. No, yeah. I'll also help you to shortcuts.
Control space.
Yes. Use control space. Okay.
Okay.
New space. Control space. Control space. Yes. That is what you need to do.
Okay.
So like that. Okay. But you didn't insert any value.
Oh yeah.
First, it will be confusion. First time when you are writing the program. Later, it will be okay. If you practice more, it will be okay.
Yeah. With the normal string, I was able to do everything, but only with this, I had my all the doubts because I got it wrong.
Okay. 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 No problem. I mean, like now it is clear for you, am I right?
Yeah. And you asked a question like split the string into the substring and all. I actually didn't understand the question.
Okay, I'll explain it. You see, whenever you are typing this system.out.println, you just
Mhm.
use sysout. Okay,
Okay.
sysout control space. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Whenever you want to declare string buffer, string bu control space. Just you select this. Okay,
Okay.
because you need to. I mean, like you should be very fast in using Eclipse shortcuts because that will make you a real-time person. Am I right? I'm like
Yeah.
you have been continuously working for 6 or 7 years. You will have a lot of ideas on Eclipse. Am I right? So
Yeah.
you have to keep that in mind, and you need to use Eclipse shortcuts: string, buffer, control space. Come on, enter, do that, this, all the stuff you have to do. Okay. So
Okay.
you work on the assignment that I have given on the string
Mhm.
buffer and string builder, and some more questions I am going to send on string buffer and string builder. Practice them, and you send it to me. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Shall I go ahead with next classes?
Yeah. Sure.
So you just stop sharing.
Um, I'm not sure. I'm not getting that page at all.
Uh, you are not able to stop sharing them, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
Should I come out and do it again?
1 second, no problem. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine.
And will you be able to record the class and send it to me so that it'll be useful?
Sure, definitely. I mean, like everything is getting recorded here. Okay, and
Okay. Yeah.
I will put in all. I will upload the videos and I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Now, yesterday we have talked. We have spoke about. I mean, like integers. Okay. I mean, not integers. It is like inheritance. Okay.
Inheritance.
So if before I want to go in depth of inheritance, I want to discuss something about constructors. Okay,
Okay.
what is a constructor? Okay,
Mhm.
constructor is executed whenever we create an object. Okay, first thing, rule one. Okay,
Mhm.
constructor is constructor name is same as class name. Okay, class
Okay.
name. Okay, second one, constructors. Okay, constructor name is same as class name are two types. One is parameter constructor, second one is default constructor. Okay,
Mhm.
okay. Second,
Okay.
third important point is okay, constructor. Okay, difference between method and constructor is constructor, okay,
Mm-hmm.
will not have any return type, okay, but
Okay.
method will have return type. We discussed about return type, am I right?
Yeah.
Fourth one is constructor with parameters is called as parameterized constructor, okay.
Okay.
Okay, fifth point is constructors without parameters are called as default constructor, okay.
Okay.
Default constructor. Let's see the syntax, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Syntax, for example, my class name is hello, okay.
Okay.
My constructor name is like this, okay, just
Mm-hmm.
hello. This is my constructor. Already I said the constructor name is same as class name.
Class. Yeah.
It is same as class name, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Constructor without parameters are called as default constructor. Are there any parameters?
No.
No. It is called as non-parameters constructor or default constructor. Okay.
Okay.
Difference between method and constructor is constructor will not have any return type. Any return type here?
No.
No return type. Okay. This is
Yeah.
called as constructor. When I talk about parameterized constructor, it will be same as hello. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
With some parameters int I comma int j. These are the called as parameters. Okay. This is called as, this is having parameters. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is called as parameterized constructor. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see. I already discussed one statement like constructor is executed whenever we create an object. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's run, go to the program. Okay. I am going to create, okay, file, new Java project. Okay.
Okay.
New Java project, constructors, demo. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Click on next, click on finish. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class. New class called as hello. Okay.
Okay.
Just click on public static void main. Okay. Do I forget? Okay. I don't want to select this. Just finish. Okay. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Now what we do is let's create a constructor. First, let's create a main method. Main, type main, control space. Select this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to create a constructor. Constructor name is same as class name. Hello. Okay.
Okay.
I just write systems out. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm writing something like object is created. Object is created. Okay. I said that this constructor will be executed whenever we create an object for the class. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Simply what I do is I create an object for the class. Hello. Okay. Hello space object is name as h equal to new hello. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save the project. I'm going to run the project. See, you can see that message object is created. It
Yeah.
means that this constructor is executed when I
The
create an
object.
object, when or I use a new operator and create an object. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see what is a parameterized constructor. Okay.
Mm.
For example, we have something like hello, and I with the string message msg. Okay.
Okay.
In the program, what I'm going to do is sys out. I'm just typing the message. I'm like, okay, it means that whatever the message I'm passing here, okay, I'm passing here, it will be displayed here. How I'm going to pass the thing is like simply I'll do one thing. Hello space h1 equal to new hello. You can see one more thing here, string message. Am I right?
Yeah.
I'm going to simply say that hello, how are you? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Semicolon, save the program, run the program. Okay. First, what is displayed? Object is created is displayed. Am I right? Because
Okay.
first line is this one. Second line, now what it is hello h1 equal to new hello, and here I am passing the string message. this message is going to save in msg variable, the string message variable. Okay, I am
Okay.
printing that message. Okay,
Okay.
there is a message parameter here. Okay, this is called as parameter. Hence, this is
Okay.
called as parameterized constructor. Okay,
Yeah.
so if suppose I remove the statement, if I suppose I remove the statements, okay,
Mm-hmm.
which constructor is going to execute? Click on run, run this thing.
The parameterized only. Yeah.
Yes, the parameterized constructor is going to get executed. Okay, is it clear? So these are
Okay.
two different types of constructor.
Yeah.
The interview question will be like, what is the difference between method and constructor? Okay, you can say
Okay.
that method, I mean, like method is used whenever, I mean, like you want to return something, but constructor will not return anything. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Now let's do one thing. This is called a constructor. Okay, now 1 second. I think so. Kumar is calling me.
Okay.
Yeah, Kumar. Hello. Yeah. Huh? Class. No, no. Some. No. Huh? ఎవరు? Okay, sure. 1 second. Let me mute that. Okay. Yes, Samya. So this is like parameterized constructor. Okay, we have two different
Okay.
types of constructor: parameterized constructor and default constructor. Okay, so
Yeah.
usually with the constructor is used. Okay, the constructor is used in order to in order to initialize the variables in the class. Okay,
Okay.
this is used to initialize the variables in the class. Okay, fine. Okay, for example, if you have some instance variables like this, like for example, in my class there are some variables like int k equal to 12. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what it does is whenever I create an object, okay, whenever I create object, okay, my class will check for the variables. I mean, like my Java, I mean, like JVM or Java software, okay, will check for the variables declared, okay, variables declared, and then the for the variables the memory is allocated. Memory is allocated. So internally what it does is it will create a variable. What is the variable that we have declared? K. For internal in memory, it will create a K variable and value 12 will be assigned to that. Okay.
Okay.
This duty is going to do by constructors. Okay. It is going to initialize the variable and it is going to allocate memory for the variables. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. This is about the constructors. Okay. Now let's go in depth of the like on the day we discuss about static block and static methods. We discussed. Do you remember that?
Sorry?
We discussed about static methods and static
Yeah.
variables. Am I right?
Yeah. I have a doubt. Usually in C or in other programming languages, when we declare something like this, there would be an error saying that we've never used this variable in our code. But right now, when you initialize this, there wasn't any error. Can I know why?
So
Because we are never using this K or 12 anywhere in the code.
yes, in maybe sometimes what happens in the sense we will not this value in this program, but maybe somewhere in the other program we might be using. For example, you think that there is some other class called as by or some other class, okay, which is extending this hello class using inheritance concepts. Am I right?
Okay.
So there it might be using. So
Okay.
we are not aware where this value is used. In case of
Okay.
C, it is not like that. There is no inheritance programming, inheritance concepts. Uh,
Okay.
so all the code will be written in only one place. So that is why that happens like that in that place. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I get it. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Now this is about a constructor. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
earlier I said that every Java programming should have main method. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now the question comes into picture. Can we write a program without a main method?
No.
The thing is like yes, we can have a Java program without main method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we can have a Java program without main method. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
uh, how can we do that? We can use static block. Okay, we can use
Okay.
static block. How to declare a static block? Simply what we do is simply I say static. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
brace open close. This is static block. Okay, I will write
Okay.
this out. Hello
Mm-hmm.
India. Okay, I'm writing some statement. Okay, click on run the program. Okay, one second. Java accept application. One second. Now this is the static block. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now what I'm going to do, I'm going to define public static void main string args. Again I'm going to say sysout Java program. Okay, we have two things here. Run this program. See, first what is output? It got hello India. It
Okay.
means that first static block got executed.
Okay.
Then what is the thing is like second main method got executed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Java
Yeah.
program. So I mean like the thing is like I can remove this statement, I can execute that, but here I'm getting some error. Maybe it is like Java FX something. Usually it never get like that. Define a main method or a Java FX application class must extend Java FX dot application. Some changes. I mean like in your program, in your Eclipse it might be executing, but in my Eclipse it will not execute because
Okay.
you are due to some changes what I have done due to for a Java Flex. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So without the main method, we can execute a Java program using static block. Okay,
Okay.
the syntax is, I mean like this is the syntax. Okay, okay. Now the thing is like the next concept is inheritance. Okay, inheritance. What we declare if you want to use the inheritance concept. Okay, let's go create one more project. File new Java project inheritance demo. In this inheritance demo, we use something concept called as fruit. Okay, There are
Mm-hmm.
many kinds of fruits. Let's take as a fruit as a demo. Okay, right click, new class. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fruit. Okay, fruit is a class. Okay, in the fruit, every fruit is having something. What are the fruits like? Every fruit will have like color and taste will be common. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm saying public string color. Okay, and public string taste. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and what are the other attributes it will have? That's it. Let's think. Like, okay, these fruits are classified into two types. There are called as citric fruits and non-citric fruits. If you take
Mm-hmm.
lemon, lemon is having citric acid. That is why it is called a citric fruit. Am I right? Orange it is citric fruit. Okay.
Yeah.
Non-citric fruits are like a banana. Banana is not citric fruit because it doesn't contain any citric acid. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Non-citric fruit. Okay. So let's classify the fruits as two types. New class. Okay. Citric. Citric fruit. Okay. Even citric is a fruit. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The citric fruit is like what? It extends fruit class. Okay.
Okay.
Fruit class. Okay. Now let's take another class called as non-citric class. Okay. What is the class? Non-citric. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Finish. Okay. Non-citric fruit will have extends fruit class. Extends fruit class. Okay.
Yeah.
Fruit class. Okay. Now each fruit will have some name. Okay. For example, let me take another thing like public. Okay. So let it be like public string name. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the properties that are available in the fruit class will be available for citric fruit as well as not citric fruit.
Non-citric.
Okay. Now let's
Mm-hmm.
create a method called as public void I mean like fruit properties. Okay.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is simply I'm going to say sys out. Okay, before sys out I'm going to say what is the color. I mean like we have, I can get all the values of fruit class. Right, color will be some color, like it is like some orange. Okay. And taste will be like what could be taste of citric fruits? It will be like acidic taste. Okay, acidic taste. Okay, some taste. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what else the properties we have? Thin name. Okay, name equal to something like lemon. Okay,
Okay.
this is citric fruit properties. Okay, and if
Mm-hmm.
you go to non-citric fruit properties, same method you declare. Okay, you copy paste the same method in non-citric fruit, and even this will, it is non-citric fruit, so it can be like banana.
Okay.
The taste will be obviously to be sweet.
Mm.
Okay, color will be like a yellow something. Okay, it will be name will be banana. Okay. So their fruit is classified into two types: citric fruit as well as non-citric fruit, and each fruit is having its own properties. Am I right?
Yeah.
So we have created a parent class called as fruit, and those values are accessed in two different subclasses. Okay, citric
Yeah.
fruit subclass as well as non-citric fruit subclass. Okay.
Mm.
Now what we do is let's create a constructor for the fruit. Okay. Simply I will say that fruit fruit is a constructor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In this, what I'm going to write is sys out control space. I am a fruit constructor. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll go to the citric fruit. I'll create a constructor. Simply I say citric fruit. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
I say that sys out I am citric fruit constructor. Okay.
Okay.
And go to non-citric fruit. Okay. And just type non-citric. Okay. And just type sys out I am citric fruit constructor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now earlier what we did is we have created main method for each Java class. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now we are not going to define any main method because we are going to work on objects. So I will create a class called as new class called as fruit main. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Finish the program. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a main method. Type main, control space, select the main method. Okay. Simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to always we create a object for subclass.
Yeah.
Which is subclass for the citric fruit?
Subclass for citric fruit is
Yeah, obviously citric fruit.
citric fruit is a subclass, right?
Yes. Citric fruit is a subclass. Okay. So I'm
Mm.
going to create object for citric fruit. Okay. Like I'm going to say that lemon. Okay. New citric fruit. Okay. I just want to access properties like lemon dot what is a fruit properties. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, I want to access like for the fruit, there is another subclass called as non-citric fruit. Am I right?
Yeah.
Non-citric fruit. Okay. Like
Mm-hmm.
banana is a subclass, new non-citric fruit. Okay.
Okay.
I just say banana dot fruit properties. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
what I'm going to do is I just comment this section. Okay. I just why comment this section. Okay. And I run this project. Okay. When I run this project, see first what constructor it got executed? I am fruit constructor.
Mm-hmm.
So first when you create an object, okay, for citric fruit, it will go to that class and the Java software will check whether this class citric fruit is extending any other class. And it will go to that class. Okay.
Okay.
Go to that class and again it will check whether this class is having any constructor, any extending any other class. Is this extending any other class? No.
No.
If it is not extending any other class, then it will execute that constructor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will come back to the class which we have called, that is like citric fruit class. Am I right?
Yeah.
And it will execute that constructor. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That constructor. Okay. So did you see that first it will execute the parent class constructor, then
Mm-hmm.
it will execute the child class constructor. Okay. Similarly, when you go to fruit main class and for non-citric class, you can check. Okay. You can run this program and just run the program. You can see first I am fruit constructor, then I am citric fruit constructor, then again it is executing I am fruit constructor. Again it is executing I am not non-citric fruit constructor. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So this is how the program execution will happen when we use the inheritance concept. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, okay, what I'm going to do is I want to display the properties. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
simply I'll say that sys out lemon dot color I'm going to use. Okay, and sys out lemon dot name. Okay,
Okay.
and lemon dot taste. Okay, save the
Mm-hmm.
program, go to run the program. You can see the values. See what are the values we have assigned, like it is orange,
Mm-hmm.
lemon, it is orange is orange, and fruit name is lemon, and it is acidic in taste.
Okay.
Okay, so where we have initialized the values for this lemon class. So if you go to citric fruit class, so we have configured this thing, color is orange, taste is acidic, and name is lemon. Did you got this thing?
Yeah. 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 Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how inheritance work. Now let's talk about some other concept called as uh, we have in Java we have only single level inheritance. We have only single level inheritance in Java. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, in Java we have only singular instance, but people will say in many books you can see that there exists multi-level inheritance. Okay, I will
Mm-hmm.
explain what are the how this multi-level inheritance will be there and multi-singular inheritance will exist. Okay,
Okay.
let me create a new project. File, new Java project. Types of inheritance. Okay, click
Mm-hmm.
on next. Click on finished. First, let's see auto single level inheritance. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
new class called as parent class. Okay, and there will be another class called as child class. Okay, called as child class. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
child class will extend properties from
Parent.
parent class. Extends parent class. Okay, parent
Mm-hmm.
class. Okay, so only one class, two classes are there. Inheritance between two classes. Single, it is single, am I right? The only one class is acquiring properties from parent class. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is called a singular inheritance. Okay. For
Okay.
example, if you think that there is another class called as subchild. Okay,
Okay.
subchild. Okay, extends child class. Okay. Now you see here we have subchild class which is extending child class, and
Mm-hmm.
child class is extending parent class. Am I right?
Okay.
So this is called as multi-level inheritance.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Did you understand the difference between single inheritance and multi-level inheritance?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If suppose there exists a constructor in parent class, okay, parent constructor, okay, and you have something like sys out. I am parent class. I am parent class
Mm-hmm.
constructor. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, in child class, I have child constructor, sys out. I am child class constructor. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, in subchild, I have another constructor called as subchild sys out. I am subchild constructor. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll create a main object, main class again. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
New class called as demo main, which is having main method. You can select the main method here also. Okay. Public static void main args. Okay. Click
Okay.
on finish. Okay, now what I do is I create object for subchild class. Okay, subchild space is equal to new subchild. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now I have used three different constructor. Can you please say how the execution will be, how the program execution will be?
It will be parent, child, and then subchild.
Okay, let's run the program and see. Okay,
Okay.
click on run the program. Parent, okay, 1 second,
Oh, it
and
will be just parent. Yeah.
yeah, it is correct. Parent, child, and subchild. Okay.
Yeah.
This is types of inheritance and how the flow of execution will happen from child to parent. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see another concept called as uh, super. Super keyword. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Super is a keyword that is used while using inheritance. Okay.
Okay.
Inheritance. We use super in order to define superclass variables. Okay, for example, okay, let me go to the program. I'm going to create a new project. File, new Java project. Click on super demo as project name. Okay. Okay. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay, and go to source, new class. Okay, in this class I'm going to define some parent class as usual. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
finish and new class called as child class. Okay, okay, and click on finish. My parent class is having some variable called as name. Okay, father or okay, string name equal to, it's like my father name. Okay, okay, it's like some ready. Okay, fine. Okay, this is parent class name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and my father do some occupation, public void occupation, job, it's like occupation. Okay, he's a farmer. Okay, my father is a farmer. Okay, I am a farmer. Okay, yeah, farmer. Okay, this is his occupation. For the child class, string same value, name equal to Rahul. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's my name. Public same method, void occupation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
occupation is like sys out. My occupation is like I am tech lead. Okay, this is my occupation. Okay, this is
Okay.
parent class as well as child class. Okay, now I am going to create main class, new class called as um, super main. Any name, super main with public static void main of string arg. Select this one, click finish. Okay,
Mm.
then what I am going to do is I am going to create object for child class. Child space, it's my name Rahul equal to new child. Okay, I'm just saying sys out. Sorry, I'm just want to don't want to use sys out. I just want to use mm, Rahul is my name dot occupation. Okay, I want to see my occupation. Okay, occupation, I am tech lead. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. And okay, I am tech lead. Here I want to display something, and my name is, okay, my name is, and what I'm going to do is just I'm going to say plus name. Okay,
Okay.
this name will be printed over there. Okay, I'm just returning the occupation. Okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to run this program. Click on run. What I am going to get is I am tech lead, and my name is Rahul. Okay, you got this one, am I right?
Yeah.
But now the thing is like I want to get the name as my parent name.
Okay.
Here, if suppose my parent name is different, for example, if it is like parent name, I am able to access if it is like the name is parent name. Am I right?
Mm.
So easily I can access here. Am I right? Oh, sorry. Easily I can access in child class. Okay.
Yeah.
Easily I can access is in the sorry, small mistake. It is like extends parent. Okay. So simply I can access the parent name. Okay, here. But what the thing is like I don't have it as a parent name. It is just a name. Both are having same value, same names. Okay. If I use name here, it is going to access this name. But I want to access the name that is defined in the parent class.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
But both are having the same names. Am I right?
Yeah.
So in that case, in order to solve that problem, both are having the same names. In order to avoid the confusion, Java has provided a keyword called as super. If you use super, how to use super? Just type super dot. See, if you use a super like this, then it will point out to the name defined in the parent class. Okay,
Okay.
clear or any questions here, Soumya?
Yeah, I don't understand why we are using the super command itself. Uh,
Super command. Yes.
yeah.
Now let me explain in brief. Okay. If parent class and child class are having same names, then if we are trying to do some operation in child class, then it points to child class variables itself. Okay,
Mm.
if you want to access the parent class variables having same name as child class, then we use super keyword. Okay,
Okay.
so any question here, or still you want to make more clear on that?
Good now. Yeah.
Okay, if the parent class and child class are in same name, then child class will always take its own class variable name. Okay, but I
Okay.
want to take parent class name variable, then I will use super keyword. Okay,
Okay.
for example, I have some other class called as new.
And this can be used only in inheritance, right?
Yes, it can be used only in inheritance. Okay,
Yeah.
similarly, for example, I have occupation for parent, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And I have same method in my child class.
Yeah.
Okay, my child method is having occupation and my parent class is also having occupation. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
I want to access this occupation class inside my child class. How can I access the method? Simply I can access like occupation, am I right?
Yeah.
This is how we access. But to which class it is pointing to?
The child class.
Child class. But I want to access super class.
Yeah.
Then I simply use
Super dot occupation.
super dot occupation. Exactly. Okay. Now,
Mm.
when I run this program, see, run the program. See, first it goes to Rahul dot occupation. It means that this class it is going. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then it is going to execute super dot occupation. In the sense, parent class it is going. Then it is saying system dot out dot println I am farmer. That is printed. Okay. Then
Okay.
it will come back. Okay. It will come back. Then again it will print system dot out dot println I am technical lead. My name is super dot name. My name is ready. This is how it printed. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Clear? Or any questions on this?
No, I'm good.
No, you are good. I'm right. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Now you are clear with super. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I am going to talk about something about this keyword. Okay. This keyword. Okay. We earlier we talk about this. Now we are talking about this. Okay.
Okay.
Super. Super. Super is used to define parent class, variables, and methods. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is used to define current class, variables, and methods. Okay. Current class instance variables and instance methods. Okay. For example, by looking into this super keyword, it is easily understand that it is calling
The parent.
parent. My name is, I said that my father name is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Super dot name. Okay. Okay. And my father name is super dot name. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, plus see in the double quotes, I am tech lead and my father name is this thing. My father name is super dot name and my name is okay plus okay
Mm-hmm.
I simply type name. This name is pointing to this class name, am I right?
Yeah.
But instead of using name, I can simply say that this
This.
dot name. Okay,
Okay.
this is going to be pointed to current class variable. Current class variable. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Yeah.
So if it is just name or this dot name, both are same. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I'll make it more clear now while defining the constructor. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. Now I am going to create new project. File new Java project. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this demo. Okay,
Okay.
click on next, click on finish. Okay, new class. Okay, something like have like a class called as um, student. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and student is having some properties like okay, and string name. Okay, and string id. Okay, I am going to create a constructor student. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
parameterized constructor. Okay, here I
Okay.
am doing what I'm going to string name. I'm passing parameter and string id. I'm sending. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. Now whatever the parameters I am passing, I want to assign to this name. Okay,
Okay.
so what I am going to do is this dot name equal to name. Okay, see here it will be confusion. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one second. We need to install extensions. Okay, and similarly this dot id.
Rahul, just a second.
Yes,
Before and all, we used to like declare public string name, public string ID, but now we're just doing string name, string ID.
no
Can
problem, no problem. You can declare public. We will talk about access space first in the next class. Okay, public string id. Okay,
Okay.
so you see here this name and this name are different. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
These are the parameters. These are the variables, global variables or instance variables. Okay,
Okay.
so if I use name dot name, it is confused. Am I right? What is
Yeah.
pointing to what? No, it is not clear. If I use this dot name, then it will be clear. This is
Mm.
pointing to the current class variable name, and id is going to point out to the current class id variable. Okay,
Yeah.
is it clear?
Yeah.
Save the program. Okay, when I am going to create a main method, I mean a main method, new class called as student main method. Okay, with public static void main string args. Click on finish. Okay,
Okay.
what I'm going to do is simply I say that I create object for student. Okay, student
Mm-hmm.
space s1 equal to new student. I'm passing name as what? Rahul. Okay, is a student, and my ID is like 2017. Okay, 2017 is my ID. Okay, fine. What it does is when I create an object for that, it will execute a constructor. And what I'm passing here, Rahul is the name, and 2017 is the ID. Okay, what is the name
Yeah.
here in the constructor? Name will be Rahul. So this
Yeah.
name will be assigned to this name. This dot name in the sense this name. Okay,
Okay.
ID 2017 will be assigned to the this dot ID in the sense this ID. Okay.
Okay.
Now when I try to print the values, student main, when I try to print the values, s1 dot id. Okay, then s1 dot name. When I'm trying to print these values and run the program, 2017 is the ID that I have passed, and Rahul is the name. Okay,
Okay.
so this ID will be which ID? This one.
Okay.
That is this dot ID. Is it clear or any questions on this?
No, 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 it's clear.
It's clear. Okay, fine. This is about the this keyword in a inheritance. Okay,
Okay.
so up to now we have seen about the inheritance. Okay. Now next topic is packages.
Rahul, just one second. I have a doubt. Can
Yes.
you please go to the program?
Yes.
And if you have a like a parent or parent also in this program, like it will be like public class student extend parent,
Okay.
and then we put the same coding and same constructor.
Okay.
So in the main program, it will again direct only to the student, right?
Yes. Okay. Now you see whatever the logic you want, I'll help you to write that new class called as parent. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Parent. Okay. Then what else you want me to do?
Uh,
My student will extend parent. That will be one of the step. Oh, you said okay. Extends parent. Okay.
yeah.
Next.
So this start name won't come in the parent also, right? That is my doubt. This start name, because that will have a confusion then in the main program.
For example, if you have something like name in the, see, this is going to point out to current class. What is the current class here? Student.
Student.
This
My doubt is if we have two classes,
okay.
so what will happen to the this start, where it will point? Because this will always, I mean, due to the current class, but
Oh,
we
I
have
got the
two
question.
classes, then to
Yes.
which will point out.
Okay, one thing let me do. This is one I want to. Am I right? I'm going to pass these values here. Okay. And you
Yeah.
want me same constructor to be there also. Am I right?
Yeah.
But it will be like parents constructor. Copy and paste it over there. But it's not student. It should be like parent. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what you want. Okay.
Yeah.
Then student is okay and parent is okay. Okay. But
Okay.
okay, you see here. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
if you have such constructor, if you have such parent constructor here, parameterized constructor in the parent class,
Mm-hmm.
then it is mandatory to invoke that parent class constructor. Okay. It is mandatory to, if you have this parameterized constructor in the parent class, then
Mm-hmm.
what we need to do is we used to use super keyword. We have to use super. You see, super
Okay.
of name and ID we are passing. Okay. When you
Okay.
use super of name and ID, it is going to point out to the parent
Parent class.
class. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. That is the about super with method, super with variables, and super with constructor we have seen. Okay. So
Okay.
what it is happening in this sense here, when I execute this program, first what it is going to execute? It,
The students.
student constructor will be executed. Am I right?
Yeah.
Then what it is going to do? It is going to
The parent.
parent. That is called as constructor chaining. Okay. What is
Okay.
constructor chaining? When you create an object for
Mm-hmm.
child class constructor get executed, and from there the execution will go to the parent class constructor. Okay.
Okay.
So one constructor is invoking another constructor. Am I right?
Yeah.
That is called as one constructor chain. It is chain process.
Okay.
Chaining. Constructor chaining is happening. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is it clear? That is called as
Yeah.
constructor
Clear.
chaining. Okay, fine. Okay. Uh, Next, you see. Now let's see about axis specifiers. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
axis specifiers. Okay.
Okay.
In Java, we have four different types of access specifier. Okay, four
Mm.
different types of access specifier: public, private, oh, protected, and default. Okay, these are the access specifier. Before I talk about the access specifier, I will discuss about the packages. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
packages. What is a package?
It's just a collection of all the projects.
All the classes. Yes, package is nothing but package is the collection of all the classes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what is a pack in the package? What we have okay, collection of classes. Okay, for example, in usually in real time, what we do is the code related to database access will be placed in one package. I mean, like, code of similar functionality will be placed in one package. Okay, code
Okay.
related to the user interface will be in one package. I mean, like, we are separating out based upon the functionality.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, for I'm going to create a new Java project, okay, called as package demo. Okay, click on next, click on finish. So I want to create a package. Just right click, new package. Okay, what I'm going to say is like, if you want to create a package in real time, for example, you have google.com. Okay, if you want to create a project, if you are creating a project related to Google, if your project name is something like google.com, if your project name is like Google, then com will be first name dot google dot database logic database. It means that all the database code is going to be placed in this package. Okay,
Okay.
okay, fine. Okay, this is how we create a package. Okay, this is
Mm.
all the database logic will be placed in this package. For example, I want to create all the HTML pages in one package. You know HTML, am I right?
Yeah.
com dot google dot html. Okay, google.html. So what I do is all the HTML pages is placed in this package. Okay, this is
Mm.
how we create a packages. Okay,
Yeah.
now we will see access specifiers. Okay,
Mm.
so I'm like, let me take 5 minutes gap so that
Sure.
uh, I'll have 5 minutes gap, and